There is one word that psychologically has been proven to not only lower someone's email acceptance rates, but if you use it in any kind of a negotiation or persuasion, chances are it's not going to go the way you want. So, what is this one word? Well, first, pause. I'm Kaylin. I am a sales strategist, negotiation expert, and I have given well over 450 workshops on sales and persuasion alone. So, all of that being said, let me break down what that one word is for you. That one word, just. Now, here's the thing about just. It is a psychological minimizer, meaning there are times, of course, when you want to use this word. It's, however, most common referred to in emails when you're saying, I'm just checking in, I'm just following up, I'm just circling this to the top of your inbox. I'm just. Stop. Okay. When can you use this word? Well, you can use it anytime you need to minimize what the action was before they had that conversation with you. So, for example, I might use the word just when I'm trying to book a call. Hear me out. I might say, hey, I just happen to have 10, 15 minutes on my calendar towards the end of the week. You mentioned you wanted me to take a look at some of your sales templates and word choices and just make a review. Seeing as how I just have a few minutes, would you be interested in taking that time slot? Didn't just follow up because the second I say I'm just following up, I'm minimizing my impact on being able to deliver in that follow up. So, what to do? Go through all of your templates, listen to your sales scripts, and if you see the word just, get rid of it unless you're intentionally trying to minimize that sentence.